Hi, my name is Jason Panda. I am an artist, educator, and designer, and I was asked to create a tessellation focusing on the 70s. So like any project, I decided to start with some research. I googled 70s design, art, movies, music, fashion, really anything that could give me a little bit of direction on where to start. The 70s were filled with pattern and color, so one way I could create this piece is with a Maziograph. It's a fantastic app that will help me create mandalas, tessellations, and patterns of all sorts. This could definitely work, but I think I'd like to try something else. Procreate is another app, and is probably my favorite. It's simple, intuitive, but powerful. And if I'm sitting down to draw on my iPad, this is where I'll start. The app is not a tessellation app, so when I create a tessellation here, it's a lot of trial and error. I draw, I move things around, and I see what might fit. Ideally, the key shapes will fit together, leaving no negative space between the tiles. But because of the theme, I'm going to cheat and use a negative space to hold some floral patterns, hoping to capture a 70s feel. I solve the pattern and the tiling on my iPad, but when I'm done, I'll bring it over to the computer and work in Adobe Illustrator. This is where I'll expand and repeat the image so that it's ready to go. But now what? My tessellations are created digitally, and for presentation, they might be printed on fabric or paper or perhaps displayed on a screen. But this time, with the help of a little MDF, paint, and a laser cutter, I'm excited to try something else.